Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best rolling knife sharpener is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in your kitchen. Dull knives make cooking a chore, but with the right sharpener, you can transform your existing blades into precision instruments. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Tumbler Diamond Rolling Knife Sharpener Set, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for you. Number 5. The original Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. Tired of dull knives? This sharpener keeps your knives cutting like new for years. It uses a patented magnetic guide and dual-surface disc to restore a razor-sharp edge with zero guesswork. Industrial-grade diamond abrasives make quick work of dull blades. It removes just the right amount of metal for a clean, precise edge, without damaging your knife. Flip to the other side for a fine-tuned finish. The stainless steel helix removes burrs and smooths the edge for professional-level cutting performance. Sharpen both Japanese-style and Western-style knives using the included angle guides. This tool works for all your knives. This sharpener works with many brands. It works on German, Japanese, American knives, and even outdoor blades. One tool, every edge. What we like. This sharpener brings pro-level sharpness to your kitchen with its diamond abrasives and dual-surface disc. It restores a razor-sharp edge with zero guesswork. If you have a variety of knives, from Japanese to Western styles, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use and does a great job. The Diamond Rolling Knife Sharpener Set is well designed and functions as advertised. The sharpener works great and is easy to use. Number 4. HORL 2 Walnut Knife Sharpener, Razor Sharp Edges. Introducing the HORL 2 Sharpener. It offers flexibility for all your knife sharpening needs. This system uses interchangeable grinding discs to get the perfect edge. The HORL 2 features a magnetic angle support. It offers both 15 degrees and 20 degrees angles. This allows you to choose the perfect angle for your task. This sharpener uses diamond and ceramic discs. It can sharpen knives of any hardness. It works on a variety of steels, ensuring a long-lasting edge. Use the 20 degrees grinding angle for robust cutting tasks. It's perfect for kitchen and outdoor knives. This angle provides a durable edge for tougher jobs. The 15 degrees grinding angle creates a razor-sharp edge. It's ideal for fine cutting work. This is perfect for sushi, sashimi, and high-carbon steel knives. What we like. This sharpener offers interchangeable grinding discs and a magnetic angle support for precision. It combines diamond and ceramic discs to sharpen any knife. If you are looking for a versatile sharpener that caters to different blade types and cutting tasks, this is the one. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use. The design is great. It works very well. Number 3. Abardi Rolling Knife Sharpener. This is a newly upgraded knife sharpener. It keeps your knives sharp for a long time. Just roll it gently, and anyone can sharpen knives quickly. The sharpener uses diamond discs for grinding and polishing. This ensures you always have a very sharp knife. It's made of natural wood. Maintaining a constant sharpening angle is key. It has two angles, 20 degrees for most kitchens and 15 degrees for finer cuts. This helps you get the perfect angle every time. Select the angle and secure the blade. Then, roll the sharpening disc back and forth. Finally, use the smoother disc to polish the edges. It's easy to use and very effective. This kit is ideal for fine cutting, like sushi and sashimi. It's great for chefs, families, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's also a great gift for friends and family. What we like. This sharpener uses industry diamonds for effective and simple sharpening. With its magnetic angle base, maintaining a constant angle is easy. If you like a straightforward, easy-to-use sharpener that delivers professional results, consider this one. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use. The design is very nice. It works great. Number 2. Arbenefe Rolling Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Arbenefe Rolling Knife Sharpener. This innovative tool lets anyone sharpen knives quickly and easily. With it, you can achieve expert-level sharpness with minimal effort. This sharpener comes with 5 replaceable discs, including diamond and ceramic options. This variety ensures it meets all your blade sharpening needs, offering different levels of fineness for various knives. Replacing the disc is as simple as rotating it. The Arbenefe sharpener features both diamond and ceramic discs. First, the diamond abrasive removes the initial layer of the blade, then the ceramic disc polishes it. This two-step process results in an incredibly sharp edge. It works on any hardness of knives. The magnetic base offers 2 fixed angles, 20 degrees for general kitchen use and 15 degrees for finer cutting. The strong magnets keep the knife securely in place. It also includes 3 sharpening slots to accommodate various knife types. The Arbenefe Rolling Knife Sharpener comes with a 3-year warranty. If you're not satisfied, they will replace it. Contact them anytime for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This sharpener comes with 5 replaceable discs for different blade needs. The double-sided tool and multifunctional magnetic base make it a complete solution. If you want a sharpener with long-lasting use and different fineness of the blade, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The innovative design makes sharpening a breeze, just a gentle push on the roller, and even a novice can achieve expert-level results. The combination of the diamond and ceramic discs ensures my knives are always razor-sharp. The high-grade materials used in this sharpener are impressive. The natural wood roller and magnetic base are not only durable but also add a touch of elegance to my kitchen. The industrial diamond discs handle every type of knife with ease, from my European kitchen knives to my outdoor blades. I love the multifunctional magnetic base, which offers 2 angles, 20 degrees for everyday use and 15 degrees for ultrafine cutting. The strong magnets securely hold the knives in place, making the sharpening process safe and efficient. Number 1. IMARKU Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit. This IMARKU Rolling Knife Sharpener excels in every aspect to get your knives sharp quickly. It features 2 industrial-grade diamond grinding discs for coarse grinding to fine honing. The design ensures your knives are sharpened to perfection. The downward sharpening design achieves optimal sharpening and ensures user safety. This unique approach enhances flexibility in blade positioning, curbing knife movement and ensuring uniform results. You don't need a board to raise the roller when sharpening large knives. For magnetic angle stands support different grinding angles, 12, 13, 15, and 20 degrees. These angles cater to various sharpening needs, from fine slicing to cutting tough materials. It provides the best balance between sharpness and durability. The handle is made of high-grade natural walnut wood, ergonomically designed for a balanced grip. This design ensures security and avoids accidental injuries during the sharpening process. It makes the sharpening process safer. The magnetic stands handle different types of knives, including outdoor, paring, and chef knives. Different angles meet all your sharpening needs. It is suitable for many brands of knives. Maintaining a consistent sharpening angle is essential for a sharp edge. This kit simplifies the process, requiring no water, just a gentle push. This allows everyone to quickly sharpen their knives like a pro. This roller knife sharpener is a perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking. It's a must-have in the kitchen and a great choice for various occasions. The company provides detailed customer service and forever service for the product. What we like. This sharpener features a downward sharpening design and 4 magnetic angle stands for different needs. The handle is made of high-grade natural walnut wood. If you are looking for a safe, versatile, and durable sharpener with various angle options, you should consider it. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use and works great. The design is very nice and it is easy to hold. This sharpener set is a great value and works really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.